Are you looking to generate passive income with the help of artificial intelligence? In today's video, we'll explore 5 powerful tools designed to help you make money while you sleep. Whether you're an entrepreneur or just curious about passive income, these tools will provide the support you need to build steady earnings. Let's dive in. Our first tool is Jasper AI, a leading content writing platform. With Jasper, you can create articles, blog posts, and social media content in minutes. Imagine setting up a blog that generates ad revenue, or freelance writing gigs that Jasper completes for you. It's a fantastic way to streamline content creation, letting you focus on scaling rather than writing. Jasper's link is in the description if you want to try it out. Next up is Replica, an AI chatbot that can manage customer inquiries for small businesses. Imagine a 24/7 assistant handling customer service for an online store or a subscription service. By offloading these tasks to Replica, you free up time while keeping customers engaged, enhancing loyalty and, ultimately, passive income potential. Link to Replica is in the description. For those interested in YouTube or social media, Pictory is a game changer. Pictory enables you to create high-quality video content from scripts with minimal effort. Video platforms are a goldmine for passive income through ads and sponsorships, and with Pictory, you can produce content at scale. Check out Pictory with the link below. Lumen 5 is another excellent tool for video creation but focuses on transforming blog posts into engaging videos. This is perfect if you're a blogger or affiliate marketer looking to repurpose content. By turning blog posts into videos, you expand your reach across platforms like YouTube, opening up more ad revenue opportunities. Finally, Tidio is an AI-driven chatbot that integrates with e-commerce stores, handling customer questions and recommending products in real time. It's especially useful if you're running an online store or drop shipping business, as it increases sales without requiring your constant input. Tidio's link is also in the description. These 5 tools are just the start of how I can boost your income streams passively. If you're interested in trying any of them, check out the links below. Don't forget to subscribe for more ways to earn smarter, not harder.